Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the GK. In that chapter number 31, that is best universities around the world. This is also very important as far as your future education is concerned. So please try to understand it very properly. Here we will discuss about the best universities around the world. तो पहले तो हम सीखेंगे कि what is university education. University education क्या है? So the term university education also means the totality of general and specialized knowledge and skills that enable a university graduate to solve problems that he or she encounters in industry or to perform scientific research or pedagogical work within the area of specialized knowledge that one can acquire. Now, what are the importance of university education? ज़रूरत क्या है university education की? So, higher education is that prepares the student to meet these challenges with grit and determination. A college education is more than the classroom instructions. It is holistic journey that explores the facets of individuality, perseverance and skill. facets का मतलब है एस्पेक्ट और फीचर ऑफ समथिंग, मतलब कि अगर कोई एक चीज़ को हम देखते हैं तो उसके बहुत सारे एस्पेक्ट हो सकते हैं. सो इट विल इंक्रीज द विजन प्रोसेस. इट विल इंक्रीज दैट के हाउ वी कैन सी द सेम थिंग थ्रू द डिफरेंट व्यूज. A degree is about learning how to think, communicate and deliver. So due to this importance of university education, one can go through the university education. Now we need to think कि कौन सी यूनिवर्सिटी सबसे अच्छी है. So over here we will discuss the best university across the world. तो यहाँ पे अमेजिंग फैक्ट में लिखा है दैट इंदिरा गांधी नेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी, नेशनल ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी, दैट इज इग्नू. वी ऑल नो अबाउट इग्नू, इज द लार्जेस्ट ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी इन द वर्ल्ड. नाउ लेट अस डिस्कस द इंटरनेशनल यूनिवर्सिटीज. दैट फर्स्ट इज स्टैनफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी. It has one of the largest campuses in the United States. It is well known for research, business school, law school and engineering. So that first one में आएगा Stanford University, that is there in United States. Then second one is you can see here, और ये बहुत सारी मूवी में आपने देखा भी होगा ये यूनिवर्सिटी को, that is Oxford University. It is the world's second oldest surviving university. It is ranked number 1 in the world of English language and humanities. That is Oxford University, that is there in the United Kingdom or we can say UK. Then third one is Cambridge University. It is also one of the well-known university and बहुत सारी मूवी में इसको भी दिखाया है. That which is there in the United Kingdom itself. It is ranked number 1 for history, mathematics and archaeology. Then fourth one is that is Harvard University, which is there in United States. It is the oldest institution of the US. It is the popular for business and law school. Then fifth university is Massachusetts Institute of Technology. This institution is known for its research and education in science and engineering. Remember its pronunciation, that is Massachusetts University, that is well known for the science and engineering education. अंडरस्टूड. तो ये मोस्ट ऑफ यूनिवर्सिटीज़ ऐसी है जो कि आपको आपने मूवीज़ वगैरह में देखी होगी. मोस्ट ऑफ द यूनिवर्सिटीज़ आर कवर्ड इन द मूवीज़, और ये नाम आपने सुना भी होगा. देन वन रियल फैक्ट इज़ ऑल्सो गिवन. यू कैन सी हियर दैट आपको एक टास्क असाइन किया है. दैट इमेजिन यू हैव कंप्लीटेड क्लास 12 एंड यू वांट एडमिशन इन वन ऑफ द 5 इंस्टीट्यूशन or universities mentioned in this chapter. Then find out the eligibility criteria for the admission. Share it in class. You may also consult your parent or teachers, but nowadays due to this COVID-19 condition we cannot meet, so at least you can discuss the thing with your parents and you can complete this assigned work. Now let us discuss the quiz. Here you are given match. So you have to match the following. The first one is the first university established in India, that is Nalanda University, option number D. द लार्जेस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी इन इंडिया एरिया वाइज यहाँ पे पूछा गया है, तो उसमें सेकंड है दैट इज बी ऑप्शन, दैट इज जीबी पेंट यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर एंड टेक्नोलॉजी। द थर्ड वन इज द बेस्ट इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज इन इंडिया, तो उसमें ऑप्शन नंबर ए आएगा, दैट इज इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी, दैट इज IIT। Then fourth one, the best medical college in India, so in that one fourth is there, C option is there, that is All India Institute of Medical Science, that is AIIMS। ठीक है, एम्स का नाम अभी बहुत चल रहा है चर्चा में, ठीक है, तो दैट एम्स that stands for All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Delhi। So here is the exercise portion which is given to us that we solved। I hope you understood the content। यहाँ पे यूनिवर्सिटी के बारे में और which is very important information for you कि if you want to study abroad after completion of 12th, then you can choose any of the universities as per your choice of subject, and that is why this chapter is included as a part of the syllabus of GK। I hope that you are clear with the content। Worksheet will also given to you to solve the question answers related to this chapter, so please keep learning। Thank you so much।